Hello everyone. Let's explore the website sales customizable pack Odoo app. It lets customer personalized product pack with different options, updates pricing dynamically and gives a smooth and interactive shopping experience. Now after installing this module, let's get into the sales. Under the configuration, you can see and customizable components where we have created a customizable components like we need to give the name and we need to select and type where we can be selected based on the multi selection and also the radio selection is also available. So as of now, let's choose in multi selection and in this we need to choose a products. Now after creating and customizable components, let's get into the products. Now let's get into the first product. So for this product we have chosen an customizable pack. So once we have enabled this, so it will open a menu where we can see an fixed component as well as an customizable components. The fixed components will be an product and here in this it will show an customizable component. So where we can select. Now once we have selected this, on the next tab let's get into an website. Now in the website, let's get into the shop and we need to get into the same product. So for this specific product, you can see the amount over here and under that you can see a fixed item. Okay, and in this customize you can see and customized items, so we can select a multiple as we have selected in multiple selections, and we can click on the show more to see all the details about a product. Based on the selection, it will automatically take the price. So for example, if I remove this, you can see the amount, and if I add this, you can see the amount over here. And if you click on that, it will show a list of customized selections. And now let's add a product into the cart. Now let's get into the cart. So from here also we can see all the components we have. Now let's check out and let's pay now. So now the payment is done. Let's get into the backend to see how it works. Now in the backend, let's get into the website. Over here in this orders where we can see all the orders. So this is the order which we have created. From here you can see an customizable component, and also you can see the message will be sent based on the customizable along with the customizable component. And once you have click on the print of a quotation, in the quotation itself you can see in customizable components too. So where in this quotation you can see in customizable component pack type, and also you can see all the components in detail. So after this, so we have another option. Now let's check out how that work. So for that we need to select an radio selection. So on the next tab, let's get into the shop. Let's get into the same product. Let's get into the customize where you can see it will be the radio selection. So we can select once this one or else the another product. So based on the selection, it will be showing the amount, and we can add the same product into the cart and we can process checkout and we can pay now. So now you can see the payment is done. So let's get into the backend from the website. Under the e-commerce we can see the orders. So where this is the order which we have placed, where you can see an product which we have chosen will be available here. The same product will be available in the quotation order too. So if you get into the quotation print where you can see and components over here. So this is how this module works. If you have any queries regarding this video, you can ask in the comment box. We will definitely solve your queries, and if you feel this video is helpful to you, you can like this video and subscribe our YouTube channel for more Odoo related updates. Thanks for watching.